Why slower growth can be safer growth for small businesses. Most people think growing faster makes a business safer, but in many small businesses, speed is exactly what causes problems. Here is why slower growth often reduces risk. Growth is often treated as a race, but many businesses fail after growing. Today, we will explain why slower growth often reduces risk. Many owners believe speed itself creates safety. In reality, speed amplifies weaknesses. Growth rate matters as much as growth direction. Growth as operational weight, processes, tools, and people absorb that weight. Slower growth gives systems time to adapt. Businesses need time to learn from mistakes. Fast growth reduces feedback cycles. Slow growth improves correction before damage spreads. Slower growth smooths financial pressure. It reduces sudden obligations. Predictability matters more than volume. Quality often drops before owners notice. Slow growth preserves attention and control. Consistency builds long term trust. Rapid growth increases dependency on one person. Slower growth creates space to distribute responsibility. This reduces burnout and decision overload. Problems appear at a manageable scale. Early signals are easier to see. Fixes are cheaper and simpler. Slower growth doesn't mean no ambition. It means choosing timing deliberately. Stability enables future scale. Growth should follow readiness. Slower growth builds resilience. Safer growth lasts longer. For freelancers and small businesses, growth is a tool, not a goal. Understanding when to slow down can be the difference between stability and stress. Please like, share my videos and subscribe to my channel if you want more practical experience based breakdowns like this. Thank you very much.